Oh yeah.
피파 에어.
애기가 가자. 2 minutes please.
네.
Hold on to the thing. Should I put it on?
But we have that thing.
Huh? And Eggy is
I like this part. 우리 어디가?
Benji sushi. Oh. How'd you find it?
Here you go, guys. Our happy hour menu.
Okay, thank you. But I want to eat one now.
Like just in case Eggy gets
Yeah.
like emergency and stuff.
I don't know how else it's going. I'm sure you're going, you know?
Yeah. Inside. Oh, no one's here?
Oh yeah. This house.
Yes. So good.
Whoa, yours is spicy, yeah?
Ours. Big spicy in the
Big spicy. Medium.
Thank you.
I don't want to sweat. Wow. 잠깐만.
number 5.
This is a documentary about my wife's last couple days of pregnancy. So today is her 39 weeks and 39 weeks and 3 days. So she's about to yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
She's about to. It's about, what time is it? 5? Yeah, about 5:45, 6 a.m. And my wife, I think she just had her mucus discharge. So we're gonna go to the hospital soon. I'm gonna meet BB soon. So we'll see how it goes.
We're gonna meet BB finally.
Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
Let's go see BB. Finally. I guess BB knew. August 4th was his due date. So he was like, alright, I guess it's my time. This is airlines, I guess it's we went straight, right? Yeah, we went straight. Where is that? we're here at the hospital. We're trying to get her checked in, and my eyes look bad. Trying to get her checked in, so we should be going in soon. She's having contractions, you right?
Yeah.
And she's having blood spotting and bloody shower, whatever it's called. So bloody show. There you go. So we're here. We're gonna be checked in soon. They just took Ariel away somewhere, I guess, to get her checked up. So now I'm just waiting for her to come back and for us to tell us if she's gonna go into the delivery room or whatever room it is, or if we're gonna go back home and wait somewhere. So yeah. Yes, she is checked in, getting ready for Eggy. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
This is where Eggy's gonna be. Yeah, buddy.
Yeah, buddy.
This is where Eggy's gonna come from. This, Mama, right here. This is the hospital room. I don't know what she's watching. AMC. There's a bathroom there, and then over here is the shower. And then look at my hair. Oh my god. And then here's the first meal that they got her. Ready? Maybe it's steak.
Ugh. Brother, ugh. What's that?
It's turkey bread. Yeah. Alright, cool. He's getting up there. Here's the view from our hotel. Our hospital. This is where I'm gonna be sleeping. Alright, gotta go. See ya. So she is now resting. She just had her epidural done. They had to make sure she's first hydrated, so we had to wait for a couple bit. She was having pretty strong contractions. It was pretty painful for her, but then I think after 30 or so minutes, we were able to give her the epidural, and now she's just laying down in one position so the epidural would spread evenly, and she's feeling a lot better, less and less pain as we go. So yeah, she's just resting now, and then her OB is coming soon, and they said they're gonna break her water at some point, so there might be Eggy might come in sometime before midnight tonight. So
4 centimeters.
oh yeah, 4 centimeters dilated. She went up 2 centimeters in 2 hours, but she's been at the same size for like the last hour, so hopefully she'll keep she'll keep rising her centimeters as we go, slowly but safely and surely. So we'll see how it goes. We've been in the hospital since what time? 10? 9:30, 10. So we've been here for almost 8 hours, but it looks like everything's going well, progressing pretty well. So we hope to meet Aggie soon. So our OB, or not our OB, her OB is here, and she said we're gonna have the baby before the day ends today, and it's at 7:05 p.m. So how are you feeling, baby? Yeah? 괜찮아? Yeah, she's doing really good. Really proud of her. She's doing so well. Baby, what? How big? 6 centimeters? 5. She's at 5 centimeters right now, and her thing is thinning. Her cervix, yeah, softening. So her cervix is softening. So all good signs. So we're gonna have BB on his due date. Hi. Resting right now. Yeah. He's resting right now. It's 9 p.m. So hopefully soon. Currently it's 11 p.m. She's about 8 to 9 centimeters. We're just still waiting for the doctor to come in. I think she's almost ready. Almost ready for egg to show up, so. waiting to. We're getting ready to get to go home. Just getting our stuff. Getting the car now. Excited for a baby to be home. We're all ready. Just gonna go to the front and then we're gonna go home. Let's see how long it is. We gotta be just fine. I'm really proud of my wife. Throughout this whole pregnancy, she handled being pregnant like a champion. Alright, it's been a long couple days. We're heading home with Eggy.
보다. 이제 미안해. 알았어.
Okay, let's go.
잠깐만. 괜찮아. 여기 있어. 아니. 이거야.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.